In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a seamless pattern in Photoshop in just 1 minute. First, open up your design in Photoshop and select the layer you want to turn into a pattern. Then go to the Edit menu and click on Define Pattern. Give it a name, then hit OK. Your design is now saved as a reusable pattern basically. Next, create a new document by going to File, New, and then choose your preferred canvas size and click Create. To apply the pattern, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Adjustment Layer icon. Then select Pattern. This window will then appear. All you have to do is click on the drop-down arrow next to the pattern thumbnail and then select the design you just created from the list. Now adjust the scale to make the pattern larger or smaller based on your design. And once everything looks good, click OK. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.